Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to exploit Windows 7 using Metasploit. So the payload which we have used in the Windows XP, the same payload we are going to use in Windows 7 because what the vulnerability was present in the Windows XP, the same vulnerability was present in Windows 7. Now here, I have already opened the MSF console and now typing use exploit /multi /handler, then pressing enter, and next setting up the payload. Type set payload in capital letters. Next Windows /meterpreter /TCP, and next setting lhost and the IP address. As I told, the lhost stands for your IP address. And next, setting up the L port. At last, type exploit, send the payload to the victim device, and when the victim tries to run the file and double click on it, here I am not having any victim. Now I am going to click on the victim PC. Now I am double clicking on the payload. So here I got the session open. Here you can see that the victim device is connected. Now I can control the victim device. Let me check the system information of the victim. For that I am typing sys info. Okay, now here you can see the victim PC information, that is Windows 7 and the victim PC name. So that's how we are going to exploit the Windows 7 by using Metasploit. That's all in this video. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to exploit Windows XP using Metasploit. In the previous video, you saw the how to create a payload by using MSFNM. Now we are going to see the using the same payload, we are going to exploit Windows XP. In further videos, I'll be showing how to exploit Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. So if you know about it, then move to the further video so that it will be helpful for you to learn more things. So here I am using the same payload which you saw in the previous video, and the same payload I am going to use in the Windows 7. Now I have already opened the MSF console. There are many models used for exploitation, but this is a simple one. Now type use exploit /multi /handler, setting up the payload by typing set payload. Payload must be in the capital letters. Windows /meterpreter /TCP. So this model is used for exploiting the Windows. And setting up the lhost, that is your IP address, and setting up the L port. At last, exploit, and double clicking on the payload which is present on the Windows XP. Okay, now here I got session open. So here you can see the victim device got connected. Let me check the system information. So here you can see that it's a Windows XP and the PC name. So that's a simple exploitation of a Windows XP using the Metasploit. In further videos, you are going to see how to exploit Windows 7, Windows 10 and Windows 8. That's all in this video. Thank you.